Finishing up with the notching on the boathouse pilings. So we got a nice little seat for the double 2x12 to sit on. And we also bolt that with 5/8 hot dip galvanized bolts with 3-inch square washers on the inside and out. Got all the pilings cut off, the scaffold's up, it's all squared up. Got the notches put in. They're getting ready to start installing the double 2x12 bands all the way around this large boathouse. It's going to be a real long process getting all these beams out here. We've got a load of them, 2x12 by 20s, and the guys have gotten a little smart getting them out here to kind of save their back a little bit. They've stacked them up on a double wheelbarrow. Putting that one to the test, aren't you? How many got on that one?
Well, there's
wow.
Shorter ones on.
Oh, okay, okay, not the 20s.
Take the boss out, he's already got it down. Racing was on.
No, don't take me out.
No.
Well, unfortunately, we got another beautiful day out here. Actually, it's kind of drizzling, raining all day long. Got the guys up there. They're putting the roof bands up now. Sounds like they're drilling and putting bolts in also. That's over 2,000 square foot, like I said, roof going on up there. So it's going to take a while to get all them double 2x12 beams up. It's always nice doing construction on a nice rainy day with all your tools. We do have power cords out here, but we're mostly using a lot of our battery powered tools out here, so we don't get shocked with this rain coming down. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I think it might rain. What you guys think?
Huh?
I think it might rain. What do you think? I like y'all's tarp here. That works pretty good. Except it's leaking pretty bad. Yep. Need some plastic. Got all the decking on the catwalk out here looking real good. 2 step downs in there for low access. Doing the 2-foot walkway. We had to turn the decking sideways on this because they don't make 2-foot ThruFlow, so we turn it parallel with the walkway. Drilling for the 5/8 bolts up there now through the double 2x12. That nice band run looks real good. So you got all the double bands on all the way around. They've started with the triple bands you see right there on that pole there on the inside. That's the lift beams for the boat lift. And we got a little shootout here on the front. There'll be a gable roof coming off the front here because it's a large Aquila boat that's going to be going in here, so it'll be tall, so we don't want any low bands blocking its way in. You know, working out on these rainy day jobs is never ever fun, but it's an overtime day, so everybody wants to keep on working, which is good for us. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, I appreciate you subscribing to the channel, and if you like it, hit the like button. If you really like it, share it on your Facebook page or whatever. Try to get me some more subscribers. I appreciate that. And if you got any comments or questions, leave them right here. I'll be happy to get back with you. If you call the office, they're really tied up with hurricane estimates and all that, so they have a hard time getting back with the YouTube audience. So just leave me a comment and I'll get back with you. Or you can email me at dalesmarine@gmail.com and I'll try to respond as soon as I get a chance. Getting a couple of comments set up now so that we can get a ridge set up and run the rest of it. We've got a gable coming off the hip roof right there on the front side. So we'll have 4 hips on this roof and 2 valleys, 1 gable. Right at 2,000 square foot, big boathouse. Anything to say to the world, James? Anything to say to the world?
No.
No.
Nothing. Not a thing. I'm good.
Nothing educational? No great sayings? 2 by 12 by 24 foot ridge beam. There's a square in the water. Ridge beam getting lifted to the top right now. There it goes. Alright, getting the ridge beam lifted in place now. Got some good rainy day production out here today. Fighting the rain showers on and off, but that's all part of living in the Sunshine State, right? Getting the commons up, they got the hips up on the sides now, and they're starting to cut the jacks, putting them in. Everything on this project is just long, big lumber. Think we got enough water? Getting the gable end framed up on the end of the boathouse right now. A lot of work there. I got 2 valleys to put in. I got to cut everything together to the hip roof, to the gable end of the roof. Real good. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. Hit the like and share button. If you got any comments or questions on how we do this, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Got a lot more projects coming up, so y'all keep on watching.